After Memorial Day and the Alliance National RV Rally, we headed back to Bailey's Harbor in Door County, Wisconsin. Join us as we explore Door County, its many villages and towns, festivals, witches. We even meet up with some alleys.
All about the Alliance family. 4th of July. We spent it with Jay and
Tracy.
We are Steve, Stephanie, Teddy, and Ellie. Join us as we travel, enjoying the retired life. The Village of Ephriam is located on the Green Bay side of the peninsula, and every year they celebrate the transition of spring to summer with their Fyr Bal Festival. This festival celebrates Ephraim's Scandinavian heritage with a family-friendly and fun-filled day of music, dancing, crafts, and artisans. This year's festival was held on June 15th, and next year has already been planned for June 21st. And there are witches, paddleboard witches. Bonfires, believed to be used to burn the witches, are now used to celebrate summer's long nights. You have to have Wisconsin's own New Glarus Brewery. Our oldest Peter got into it, donning a Viking helmet and the local fire department's t-shirt. The bonfire has been erected, just waiting to be lit.
And when I want it to stop, I let go of it on the backside, so that just kind of finishes that bubble off, right? So what we're doing now is we're just waiting for it to cool down. And I'm going to grab a little bit more glass like that. Because like I said, it's already nice and stiff, right? Even though you just saw it moving a second ago. I'm going to reach in here, and I'm going to spin this thing and pick up some glass. Now I've got all that glass on top of there. If it were darker out here, this would be glowing, right? You'd be able to see it giving off light. I'm just going to use my blocks to smooth that glass out around that bubble. Ooh, I went too far there. All right, I'll fix it. So when I blow this bubble out, the bubble's going to go wherever it's easiest for the bubble to move, right? So the hot thin stuff is going to go first, but if it's really thin, it'll cool down. Then it'll go to the next thick thing. So I want that. Talking about how it's going to get the bottom things. I'm going to stretch it. We should see this stretch out nice and long. We're going to heat it up just a little bit more and stretch it just a tiny. Potentially making the bottom bigger. So see how.
This festival also serves as a fundraiser for the local fire departments and allows Stephanie, Peter, and I the opportunity to take a step back in time. Not that either of us, or any of us for that matter, are old enough to remember these, but they had memorabilia the pagers, the first cell phones, the struggles we went through as firefighters beginning our careers. Might have been why I went to police. This is more my generation. And this is what we were using back in my day. Trusty old pager. Summer has definitely bloomed. Just gorgeous.
The next morning,
We are headed to Fish Creek, still on the Green Bay side of the peninsula, in Julie's Park Cafe.
You found the chair.
After a fantastic brunch, we headed into downtown Fish Creek, do a little window shopping, explore Founders Square, Door County is well renowned for its artisans, arts, crafts, and shopping. Fish Creek seems to be the most concentrated. This home is supposed to be haunted. You'll have to check out one of my previous videos. We took the tour. There's not only plenty of shopping to do, but there's plenty of eating to do as well. Fish Creek is home to Pelletiers, very well known for their nightly fish boils. Bigfoot is everywhere. And during those warm days of summer, go to Not Licked Yet. Very well known for not only their custard, their milkshakes, their burgers, and the ambience it provides out back. Adjoining Not Licked Yet is actually Fish Creek. You'll never know who's going to come visit you on the creek.
2 weeks later.
Good. Okay.
This is what family is all about, the Alliance family. 4th of July, we spent it with Jay in
Tracy. And we've been having a blast.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's always great when you get to meet another Alliance family and just hang out. The conversations go awesome, and we're very thankful that we got to meet you guys.
Yes.
For sure,
And
for sure.
attend a rally because that's where we met them.
That's where we met.
National rally, Southern rally.
Texas rally, Vegas rally,
Yeah,
wherever you can go.
This is
All
what
right.
it's right. RV life, right?
Absolutely. Until we meet again.
Till we meet again.
For sure.
I had to throw the drone up to capture these incredible shots of the 4th of July fireworks from Bailey's Harbor. Be sure to join us next time, as we'll be coming to you from Hawaii. Be sure to click that subscribe button